Children, today let us see the practice set 3.1 algebra question number 2, in which already you are given with a is equal to 10 is and d is equal to 5, where a is the first term. Children, always a is considered as the first term always, and d is the common difference. We have to find the arithmetic progression, that is a sequence. So already what is given, let us see. The first term which we consider as a, the t1, is already given to us, children. So write it first. Then how to find the second term? If you add the first term to the common difference, that is t1 plus d, you will get the second term as t2 is equal to 15. In the similar manner, if you add the second term, which is 15, to again the common difference d, you will get the third term, and so on. So minimum of 4 terms you have to find, children. See, again the third term 20 plus the common difference d gives you the fourth term, that is 25. Hence the required arithmetic progression, that we take it as AP, is, right, one after the other, 10 first, always don't forget this, 15, 20, 25, and you have to put the dots, means it is an infinite sequence. Now second one, in the same manner, a is given as -3, d is given to us as 0. A is given as -3 means always the t1, the first term, is taken as a, given as -3. So second term is equal to t1 plus d, that is the first term plus the common difference, gives you your answer. The third term is equal to t2 plus d, that is the second term plus the common difference, again it gives you your answer. And the fourth term, the previous term plus the common difference, that is -3 plus 0, is equal to -3. Hence you got your arithmetic progression, as which you can write as AP is -3, -3, and so on. Fine. Let us see the third question. What is the third question given as? It is the a is equal to -7 and d is given as half, 1/2. So similar manner, always, children, t1, the a means the first term, t1 is equal to -7, t2 will be equal to first term plus the common difference, that is -7 plus half. Be careful over here, you have the denominator 1, so cross multiplication of the denominators will give you 2, and cross multiplication with the numerator, -7 into 2 gives you -14, plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, that gives you -13/2. And similar manner, try to find the third one, given as t2 plus d, the second term plus the common difference, that is -13/2 plus the half, the same denominators, so one common denominator, the numerator will be added as it is, you will get as -12/2, that gives you -6. Find t4, that is t3 plus d is equal to -6 plus half again, so denominator 1, take the LCM, cross multiplications of the denominators, and the cross multiplication with the numerator, that gives you minus 12 plus 1 upon 2, that is minus 11 upon 2. So this can be converted into decimal, children, if you want. Minus 6.5 and this is minus 5.5. Hence the required arithmetic progression, that is, you take it as AP, is, write very clearly, children, because this is the final answer, and don't forget to put the dots which continue. Okay, and now comes the fourth one. Fourth one is given as A is equal to minus 1.25, children it is, and D is equal to 3. Find out. A means T1 always minus 1.25. This is always taken as A, and T1 both are one and the same. T2 is T1 plus D, that is minus 1.25 plus 3, children. So do the calculations. This be careful when you are adding. This is a whole number, children. So whole number under the whole number, and decimal. After decimal, the empty spaces fill with 0. So this is 9 and 10, 5, 7, 1.75. The smaller one is negative, the bigger one is positive, so answer will be in positive. Similar manner, find T3, that is T2 plus D, gives us 1.75 plus 3, that is 1.75. When you are adding with 3, you will get as 4.75. So be very careful with the decimals when you are adding them. T3 plus D gives us 4.75 plus 3. In the same manner, when you add, you will get 7.75, and hence your required AP will be, children, write very neatly. Required AP is, first one, don't forget, it is always given to us many a times, 1.75, 4.75, and if it is not given, then we have to find, but in this case it is always given. Okay, now the fifth one, A is equal to 6 and D is equal to minus 3. A is given means the first term is given, the second term is first term plus the common difference, that is 6 plus minus 3, 6 minus 3, that is 3. T3 is second term plus the common difference, that is 3 plus minus 3, which gives us 0. And the fourth term is the third term plus the difference, that is 0 plus of minus 3, that gives us minus 3. Hence, if we go to see the required arithmetic progression, what it is, has to be written in a very clear manner as, first, the 6, always remember it is given to us, so be careful, children. You have to write it and see the last one of this question, that is question number 6, given as A is equal to minus 19 and D is equal to minus 4. A is given means the first term is given, the second term is T1 plus D, that is the first term, plus D minus 19 plus minus 4 gives us, be careful while you are taking the, this is minus 23. When you are taking the minus sign, be very careful. T2 plus D, that is minus 23 plus minus 4 gives us minus 27. T4 is equal to T3 plus D, that is minus 27 plus minus 4 gives us minus 31. So hence you have to write the final answer. Required arithmetic progression is, don't forget the first one children, minus 19, minus 23, minus 27, minus 31. And if you have any doubt, then put T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on, and then write the values. Answer.